Hi, my name is Marisa Lerin. I'm happy to announce that my long-standing digital scrapbooking community website, Pixel Scrapper, has a new name and new online home at DigitalScrapbook.com. I founded Pixel Scrapper in 2010 as a hobby site to host designs and graphics for digital scrapbooking and hybrid crafting. The site quickly grew, becoming a full-time business in 2012 when I transitioned the website to be a community hub for all things digital scrapbooking. The site became a registered public benefit company in 2019 and now serves over 1 million page views per month, along with more than 150,000 downloads. I always loved paper scrapbooking, but as my lifestyle became one of constantly moving from place to place, I discovered that digital scrapbooking was a much more sustainable hobby for me. Digital scrapbooking is unique from paper scrapbooking, and I found that most traditional scrapbooking websites had little emphasis on digital crafts, which is why I started Pixel Scrapper. I wanted the site to be DigitalScrapbook.com from the beginning, but the price of that domain was out of reach for me in 2010. Happily, I was able to acquire the DigitalScrapbook.com domain name last year, and we have just finished rebranding Pixel Scrapper to be the site I have always wanted it to be, DigitalScrapbook.com. DigitalScrapbook.com offers digital scrapbooking tutorials, community forums, an open project gallery, and a growing collection of over 150,000 graphics and kits pertaining to digital arts and crafts. The site sets itself apart from other digital scrapbooking stores by offering free daily downloads to users, fostering hobbyist designers in an area known as the Commons, and providing affordable, unlimited download subscription plans. Almost everything on our site is available for free via our download credit system. The reason we can do that is because we are a public benefit company and rely partly on donations to survive. As a registered benefit company in the state of Oregon, DigitalScrapbook.com is committed to serving the greater good and putting benefits to community and society ahead of profits. Our benefit company mission statement outlines ways in which we are working to achieve these goals through our company's governance, commitment to community, commitment to customers, commitment to society, and commitment to environmental sustainability as evaluated by the standards of an unbiased third party called Benefit Corporations for Good. Serving the global digital scrapbooking community well is the most important thing to me. When I started this journey 10 years ago, one of the first things I did was sit down and write a manifesto that was a call to generosity, creativity, and community. We have users who are still using our website today who signed up years and years ago, and I think the thing that keeps them coming back is that vision. I hope our new domain name will help more people find us, and I hope our vision and community focus will continue to convert new users into long-term community members.